Welcome back, traders. It's 2026, and the Forex game has completely changed. With tighter leverage rules in regions like the US and Australia, and several old brokers disappearing, choosing the right broker is now more important than ever. Think of it like this. A broker is like a car. It doesn't matter how good it looks, if the brakes fail, you're in trouble. What you really need is fast execution, reliable withdrawals, and a platform that fits your trading style. In this video, I'll break down the best Forex brokers for beginners in 2026, from high bonus platforms to powerful all-in-one solutions. If you're starting with a small account, take a look at Gates FX. Right now, it stands out for one major reason: its 100% deposit bonus, which can instantly double your trading capital. Why it works for beginners? Low starting deposit, high leverage options, easy account setup. And here's the key part: withdrawal speed. In a space where many traders worry about delays, fast payouts can make a huge difference. This platform focuses on quick processing, helping you access your funds without long waiting times. If your goal is to grow a small account faster, this is a strong option. Now let's talk about reliability. First, XNES, one of the biggest names in the industry. What makes it powerful? Massive global trading volume, fast automated withdrawals, very low minimum deposit. It's one of the easiest platforms to start with while still offering a professional trading environment. Now, if you're looking for a highly rated experience, check out A Markets. What makes it unique? Strong user reputation, beginner-friendly environment, and innovative learning features. One standout feature is its approach to helping new traders transition from demo to real trading more confidently. These platforms are ideal if you want trust, stability, and long-term growth. If you prefer everything in one place, PDU Prime is worth considering. Key advantages: multi-asset trading in one dashboard, competitive spreads, clean, modern interface. You can trade Forex, gold, and other markets without switching platforms. Perfect for traders who want efficiency and simplicity in one system. Before you sign up anywhere, remember this: always start with a demo account. Test execution speed. Check spreads on pairs like Euro USD or gold. Make sure everything feels smooth before risking real money. If privacy is important to you, some brokers also support crypto deposits and withdrawals, offering more flexibility. At the end of the day, your broker is your foundation. Choose smart, trade smart, and stay disciplined. Check the links in the description for more details, and I'll see you in the next video.